Hello, my name is Jamie from Crewe SEAT and CUPRA Crewe, and today I'll be taking you around this used vehicle.
We are delighted to be able to offer you this gorgeous Fiat 500 Lounge. This vehicle comes with a 1.2 litre petrol engine and features the manual transmission. This particular model is finished in this gorgeous green paintwork and comes with around 28,000 miles on the clock. Into the boot now, we can see that there is enough room for one small suitcase, some of your weekly shopping, and the rear seats are fully foldable should you require any more space. At the rear of the vehicle we have the classic Fiat 500 taillights with the chrome bezel on display, alongside the chrome boot strip and the chrome bumper strip, alongside the sporty looking singular exhaust tailpipe. This particular model sits on these gorgeous 15-inch alloy wheels, which do provide a nice offset to the colour of the vehicle's paintwork. At the front of the car we have the vehicle's oval headlights, along with the chrome detailing which features across the vehicle's front end. Moving inside to the rear of the vehicle, we can see the full cloth seats on offer. These do come equipped with ISOFIX points should you need to use them. Into the front now, we can see the gorgeous dashboard on display, which does come finished in the exterior body colour, along with the chrome interior door handles and stunning front sport seats, which provide for an incredibly comfortable journey. The vehicle also features the fixed glass panoramic sunroof, a perfect feature for the summer months of the year. Here we can see the vehicle's multifunctional steering wheel, which provides access to some of the vehicle's features from the comfort of your driving position, and just above we have the analog dials with the central digital display. Into the centre you'll find the vehicle's radio system, where you can simply select your favourite radio station from the vehicle's preset menu. Alternatively, you can play your favourite CD or connect your own Bluetooth device to play your favourite songs through the car's sound system. Just below we have the vehicle's city driving mode, along with the climate control system, which allows the driver to control the cabin temperature of the vehicle. And lastly, we can focus on the vehicle's stylishly finished gloss black and leather 5-speed manual gear shifter.
For more information on this vehicle or to arrange a test drive, call us on 01270 864 430 or inquire online now.